Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Scientific. In the current video, we are discussing the section 115 Scientific Advisors under Chapter 18 Suits Concerning Infringement of Patent of Indian Patents Act 1970. Section 115 Subsection 1. In any suit for infringement or in any proceedings before the court may at any time appoint an independent scientific advisor, and the purpose is to assist the court or to inquire and report upon any question of fact or of opinion. But it will not involve a question of interpretation of law. Subsection 2. The scientific advisor who has been appointed, his remuneration will be fixed by the court, and it will include the cost of making a report and proper daily fee for any day on which the scientific advisor may be required to attend the court. And such remuneration shall be defrayed out of monies provided by Parliament by law. Rule 103 to 107 of Indian Patents Rules 2003 deals with different aspects of scientific advisors. Let's look at the rules. Rule 103. Role of scientific advisors. The controller shall maintain a role of scientific advisors for the purpose of Section 115, which has been discussed now. It will be updated annually and it will contain name, address, specimen, signature, photograph of scientific advisors, their designation, information regarding their educational qualification, their discipline of specialization, and their technical, practical, or research experience. The person shall be qualified to have his name entered in the roll of scientific advisors if he holds a degree in science, engineering, or technology or equivalent. He has at least 15 years of technical, practical, or research experience, and he has or holds a responsible post in scientific or technical department of a central or state government or in any organization. Rule 103A. Disqualification for inclusion of the role of scientific advisors. A person shall not be eligible to be included in the role of scientific advisors if he has been adjudged by competent court to be unsound mind. That is, a person having unsound mind is not eligible to be a scientific advisor, or he is an undischarged insolvent, or even if he is discharged insolvent, he has not obtained a certificate to the effect that he is insolvent, or he has been convicted a competent court, whether within or outside India, of an offence to undergo a term of imprisonment, unless the offence of which he has been convicted has been pardoned, or unless on an application made by him, the central government has, by order in this behalf, removed the disability, or he has been guilty of professional misconduct. Rule 104. Manner of application for inclusion in the role of scientific advisors. Any interested person may apply at any time to the controller for inclusion of his or her name in the role of scientific advisors by furnishing his or her biodata. And the qualifying criteria are mentioned under Rule 103, Sub-Rule 2. Rule 105. The controller may, notwithstanding anything contained in Rules 103 or 104, enter the name of person in the role of scientific advisors if he is of the opinion after such inquiry that such person should be entered in the role of scientific advisors. Rule 106 deals with power to relax. Where the controller is of the opinion that it is necessary or expedient to do so, he may, by order, for reasons to be recorded in writing, relax any of the qualifications as specified in Rule 103 Sub-Rule 2 with respect to any person if such person is otherwise well qualified. Rule 107. Now, what are the cases when the controller will remove the name of the scientific advisor from the roll? If the person makes a request for such removal, that is, the person voluntarily is requesting to remove his name, or the controller is satisfied that his or her name has been entered in the roll by error or account of misinterpretation or misrepresentation or suppression of any material fact, or such person has been convicted for an offense, term of imprisonment, guilty of misconduct, and controller is of the opinion that his or her name should be removed from the roll, or the person is dead, except the clause of A and D, the person will be given an opportunity to be heard. The detail regarding the role of scientific advisors is given in IP India website and it is shown here. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Please give a like if you like it and please share and subscribe the channel Scientilectual. We are providing all the necessary informations regarding Indian Patents Act 1970 and all the sections, rules, forms, fees, etc., which will be very helpful during the preparation of Indian Patent Agent exam. Thank you once again.